Another civil service exam reviewer. If A and B are natural numbers and 6 is to A is to B is 2 is to 3 is to 8, what is the value of B? So may given tayo na A and B. A and B are natural numbers. Ibig sabihin nga pala ng natural numbers ay ano yan, counting numbers pag sinabing natural numbers. Counting numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So eksakto dapat yung sagot natin. So, okay, so mga choices naman natin, 9, 15, 20, 24. So natural numbers lang. Okay, so given, meron tayong 6 is to A, 6 is to A is to B, equal daw siya sa 2 is to 3 is to 8. Ang tinatanong, what is the value of B? Ang tinatanong lang, value ng B. So, ibig sabihin, itong ratio and proportion natin, tatluhan, pero panggulo lang dyan si A. Pwede na natin tanggalin si A. Panggulo lang si A, kasi ang tinatanong lang, what is the value of B? So, pwede na natin burahin si B. 6 is to A is to B, tanggalin na natin si A. 6 is to B na lang ang isulat natin. Tapos, ito, 2 is to 3 is to 8, tanggalin, ang letter A dyan, yung pangalawa, so, tanggalin na rin natin itong pangalawa. So, yan na lang ang isosolve natin. 6 is to B equals 2 is to 8. So, ganun lang kasimple. Then, i-apply na natin yung rule natin pag nagsosolve ng proportion. Ang product ng means ay equal sa product ng extremes. Itong extremes yung nasa labas, i-multiply natin, equal daw siya sa product ng means yung nasa loob. So, multiply lang natin. So, we have B times 2, that is equal to 2B, equals, multiply natin ito, 6 times 8, medyo maliit na number, i-diretso multiply na natin. 6 times 8, that is equal to 48. Kapag medyo malaki yung number, hindi ko muna minumultiply, inuuna ko yung divide. Okay? Now, solve for B, just divide both sides by 2. So, ito na yung answer natin. 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Therefore, the value of B is equal to 48 divided by 2. That is equal to 24. So, the correct answer is letter D, 24. Okay? So, kung nagustuhan nyo ang explanation ko, huwag kakalimutang mag-subscribe. Okay? So, kung meron kayong math question, i-PM nyo lang, i-comment nyo lang sa video na ito or i-PM nyo ako sa aking messenger, RJ Enseñano. Bye-bye!